Hi guys, welcome to Signalsview. Salman is here. What we can see right here, gold is stable above 27.17. It made it all the way to 27.84, which is a strong resistance. It couldn't continue. It dropped all the way to 27.35. This is probably a good area to start buying. It's 27.30 support right here. So what we could say, if we see a move to the upside here, I'll be going long, targeting 27.73, and if we can make it to 27.80, this will be my take profit. It's better to wait for New York time. Okay, if it will continue to fall, then the next level is 27.17. You could buy here and stop loss just below 27.14. Okay, if it drops, which I don't think so, but just in case if it happens, then the next level is 27.02. Those are the three levels. But you should focus on buying, not selling, because gold is in a strong uptrend and we should continue to buy. We want to buy lows, not to sell highs. If we look at the silver, it's the same scenario. It's going down a little bit to 29.87. Don't try to buy gold at the same time with silver because they have correlation to each other. So you should wait. Drops a little bit more here. We can start buying, targeting 30.95. The next is the cable. Cable now at 1.2450. It couldn't make it to 1.2580, which is our resistance. It's coming back down. We have a weak support here at 1.2298, which is 1.23. So basically, if it drops here and we can see going back up like this, we should buy here and put stop loss below here. It spread fear in the market that there is no reason to spend billions of dollars in AI if the Chinese software can actually make it with much less cost. But this is just a panic and market is just gonna pick up again. So it dropped over 1,000 points. It bounced back above 600-700 points. Now 21,200, this is a good area to buy. Our target again 21,900. So we're looking to continue buying the Nasdaq, guys. Okay, this is just gonna go to 25k. The Dow Jones, the same thing. It dropped yesterday, the same 43,800. It bounced back, so we are continue to buy here 44,600. Target 45, which is the all-time high, previous all-time high. Oil dropped from the 80 level. The crude oil, US oil, found a support here at 73. So what we could do, we can buy this going back up. If it drops below here, it can continue to 69.61, which will be too much to wait for. Okay, so if you're gonna buy here, which is okay, just make sure you put stop loss below this. Bitcoin trading at 102,800. Okay, so this support here at 97,700, resistance 106. So if you're gonna buy it, just buy small lot size and go to 106 or 109 maximum. USD CAD, we are only looking to sell the USD CAD. Okay, only looking to sell. This is 1.44. I think this is a really good price to sell it. I expect the dollar index to start falling down, so I'm selling this right now, going all the way to 1.4330 and actually to 1.42. So USD CAD is, I think, is a great trade to sell. Don't take too much risk, just Euro Australian also, I'm thinking 1.67 is a good area to sell it. We have a multiple support here, 1.6710, 1.6760. So if you're gonna sell it here, you can put your stop loss right there and target the 1.6490. So we're talking about 200 pips right here. Really easy, I think. It should work really well. Okay, guys, make sure you join our Telegram channel. And if you would like to get this system, amazing system to trade whatever you want, Dow Jones or Nasdaq, we have an offer now. You can get it for free. Just send us a message to the admin. We're gonna let you know all the details how to get our system for free. Thank you and have a wonderful day.